I've been testing the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus 9660 CCPS for a while now, and honestly, this is one of those shavers that comes with a serious price tag. So the question is, does it actually feel worth it? First off, the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from a premium Braun. It feels solid, comfortable in the hand, and the shaving head flexes nicely around the jaw and neck. That alone makes daily shaving a lot smoother. Performance-wise, this thing is powerful. It handles both short stubble and a few days of growth without too many passes. The shave is close, like really close, and more importantly, it's gentle on the skin. I didn't get much irritation, even on sensitive areas. The Smart Care Station is also a big win. It cleans, lubricates, and charges the shaver automatically, which makes maintenance almost effortless. Now the downside, it's expensive. Not just the upfront cost, but replacement heads and accessories aren't cheap either. And while it's great, I'm not sure it completely justifies the ultra-premium price for everyone. So here's the verdict. If you want top-tier comfort and convenience, it delivers. But if you're on a budget, there are definitely cheaper shavers that get you close enough results.